Welcome, everyone. Today, we embark on a deep dive into career planning in an era dominated by artificial intelligence and automation. If you already understand AI basics, and are eager to strategically navigate your career path amidst these transformative technologies, you're in the right place. Join us as we unlock effective strategies to future-proof your career and thrive in this new technological epoch. AI and automation are not just reshaping, but revolutionizing industries globally. From robotic process automation that streamlines manufacturing, to AI-driven algorithms forecasting financial markets, these technologies are shifting the skills landscape. Understanding the sectors and roles most impacted by AI will guide your career planning effectively, ensuring you stay ahead in your professional journey. Growth sectors in the AI era, such as healthcare and technology, are burgeoning with opportunities. In healthcare, AI facilitates breakthroughs in patient diagnosis and treatment management, enhancing roles such as clinical data analysts and personalized medicine specialists. In technology, the expansion of AI applications in software development and cybersecurity offers numerous career avenues to explore and master. In an AI-driven marketplace, professionals who can blend domain expertise with AI skills stand out. For example, financial analysts proficient in AI tools that automate and predict market trends are invaluable. Similarly, healthcare professionals who can interpret AI-driven data to improve patient outcomes are highly sought after. Cultivating a blend of technical and sector-specific knowledge is crucial. Staying competitive in the AI landscape means embracing change and continually innovating. This involves regularly updating your skill set and being open to new ways of working. For instance, adopting agile methodologies in project management, or learning to utilize AI-powered analytics tools, can keep your skills relevant and in high demand. Developing resilience is key to navigating the challenges and uncertainties of an AI-impacted job market. This includes being flexible with career plans, willing to learn from failures, and adapting strategies as industries evolve. Resilient professionals are better equipped to handle transitions, whether it's shifting to a new role or tackling a disruptive project. As you plan your career in fields influenced by AI, understanding and advocating for ethical AI use becomes increasingly important. Professionals need to ensure that AI applications and their work respect privacy, offer transparency, and prevent bias, aligning with ethical standards that promote trust and integrity in technology. Consider the story of Sarah, a traditional retail manager, who transitioned into an AI-driven role overseeing customer experience strategies using predictive analytics. Her willingness to learn new AI tools helped her improve customer engagement and retention, marking a significant upturn in her career. Another example is Mike, an automotive engineer who adapted his expertise to the world of autonomous vehicles. By upskilling in AI technologies specific to self-driving cars, he played a pivotal role in his company's innovation team, leading projects that shaped new business directions. Modern AI tools offer personalized career insights, helping you navigate potential career paths efficiently. For example, platforms like Gloat use AI to match professionals with internal projects and roles that fit their skills and aspirations, fostering a dynamic and fulfilling career development path. The future of work in an AI world is inherently unpredictable. Embracing a mindset that is ready to learn, adapt, and innovate is essential. Stay curious about new technologies, proactive in your learning, and resilient in the face of change, to navigate this dynamic landscape successfully. As AI becomes more integrated into various industries, understanding AI and its applications becomes critical for all professionals, not just those in tech roles. AI literacy helps you make informed decisions and understand how AI impacts your work, allowing for better adaptation to new tools and processes. This knowledge is essential for effectively collaborating with others in an increasingly automated workplace. In an era where communication with both humans and machines is vital, enhancing your communication skills is more important than ever. Being able to clearly articulate complex AI concepts to non-expert stakeholders, or translating AI outputs into actionable business strategies, are invaluable skills that bolster your career in an AI-driven environment. While AI can optimize and automate, it cannot replicate human creativity. Careers that harness creativity, from digital marketing strategies that use AI to analyze and predict trends, to product development, where innovation is key, are areas where AI supports but does not replace human ingenuity. Focusing on developing creative solutions in conjunction with AI tools can lead to groundbreaking achievements and career longevity. Transitioning between careers or industries can be daunting, especially with AI reshaping professional landscapes. Utilizing AI for skills assessments, participating in AI-driven training programs, or exploring new roles that AI has created, can smooth these transitions. Being open to change, and using AI as a tool for career development, can turn potential challenges into opportunities for growth. Thank you for watching this video on career planning in the age of AI and automation. As we've explored, staying informed, adaptable, and proactive are key to not just surviving, but thriving in the evolving professional world shaped by AI. Remember, the future belongs to those who are prepared to innovate and adapt. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into making the most of your career in the AI era.